Hi, in this video we are going to see the simple demo of app themes module and other settings that you can use to configure this module. So as a platform owners, you'll be able to upload CSS theme, and you can add CSS theme as a for single page, or you can combine CSS theme for multiple pages into one. And here I have added one simple theme, okay, in my platform, so user can just click on it and then it will be added and it will be shown here. So as a user I can add multiple themes if available. So right now it is just one, and you can add multiple themes and then they can switch themes, and all the properties will be visible here, and they can just change whatever properties they want to change, like this. So color and all they can just change. So with this module we are making it super simple for users so they don't make any mistake. Right now Siberian is already having feature wherein you can write any CSS code that is advanced and it's really useful. And this module is kind of theme where you define CSS property and the user is allowed to just change the properties so that they don't mess up with a complete app. And herein they can add multiple themes, and all whatever they have added will be applied here. Okay, and basic CSS properties will be available, and they can just change and save, and once they save it will be updated and applied to the app, whatever app I'm editing. So these 20 CSS properties is part of this theme that I have added, and it is sample CSS code will be provided with this module, and there is no support for this CSS and theme. Actually CSS and whatever properties and code and all is your responsibility, it is not part of the module will just allow you to simplify this process. So it is like for management, and uh, CSS code or any other theme and all is not part of this module. You have to get it from any developer, and in future we will be providing some themes. But for now, you might already having some CSS code that you want your users to use into their app, so you can use that. And if you don't have any CSS, or you don't have any skills, or you don't want to buy any CSS theme from anyone, then don't buy this model, because it will be just a dummy model, and without CSS code you cannot do anything with this model. So so right now this model is like CSS, like simplifying process of changing a CSS property. And one nice feature of this model is that you can add whatever CSS theme, multiple CSS theme, and you can edit it. And here is the CSS code, and whatever you put with double slash, it will be shown as a comment here. Okay, and it is just to inform users what they are changing. Okay, so if your CSS code does not have comment, then put comment with double slash. And there is one way of putting comment like this, it is not supported, so don't use that. Okay, and if it is there, remove it and use the comment like this, single line comment. Okay, and you can just paste multiple CSS code here in this page. Okay, and you can make it globally applicable. This is a very important feature which is added to this module, is that when you make it globally applicable, that means whatever CSS code you are writing, it is automatically applied to that all the apps. So the user don't need to add it to their system or edit it, so it will be just applied to all the app. And when you make it user editable, then it is actually applied to all the app, plus user can edit it, so they can customize it too. And publish is to make it published or hidden. And this category and subcategory is for future use. We are not using it here as of now because we have not many CSS themes and all. Okay, but we have built this feature. And here you can upload the relevant CSS pages, how it will look. Actually you can upload multiple pages so that user knows before adding the before adding this theme, they will know how it will look. So this way, like, you can add a single or multiple themes, and you can combine multiple pages into one single theme, and whatever way you want to use, it is up to you. So this was the front end and back end of this module, and there is no other functionality or no CSS code is provided for you. It's just simple CSS code will give it, and there is no responsibility. And